Why so angry, Mama?
I'm in my lane. Why are you in my lane?
Why so angry, Mama?
What?
Why so angry, Mama?
What?
I said, why are you so angry, Mama?
Sorry, honestly, if you're being nice,
I'm sorry.
People are irritating, they're rude, and people are just evil out here, and I just thought you were evil. So
I know, no. I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're okay.
No, I'm not ever like this. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
I'm so sorry. You want a Chipotle card? I was gonna use it, but
No, it's fine. You take it. I was gonna get Chipotle right now, but no.
I'm so sorry.
Go get some.
Okay, I don't.
Hey, I'm so sorry. No, I didn't mean to scare you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm embarrassed now.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Fuck.
You have a nice day, okay?
If people were like you, the world would be better. I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. What's your name?
Gianna.
Angel, nice to meet you. Just have a better day, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry for scaring you.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry for yelling at you.
No, you're fine. Don't worry.
Drive safe. Drive safe on this.
You too.
You need to jump?
No, it's okay.
Hey! Be cool, man. No, fuck that shit.
Why are you mad?
Because you're wasting people's fucking time.
You're that important?
Yeah. What are you gonna do about people trying to get to the fucking hospital?
You're going to the hospital?
Yeah. Well, you should call me. Hey, you better back the up. Oh, he's got a strap on him. Get the fuck away from me, fool.
You got a gun right there?
Fucking pull up on people. It's the middle of the fucking street. Why is that a fucking park? It's not dumb, man. Away from me. Why are you yelling, bro? Come on, chill. I got shit. I got big cool. Be cool. Let me leave my fucking truck. Hey, what's the matter with you? Hey, I'm with shit. You recording yourself where you're fucking wheelies and fucking oncoming traffic? Dumbass. Yeah, you. Hey! Stupid.
Alright, which one of you guys did he almost run over? Because I walked over.
Me.
Abi ne yapıyorsun ya? Abla ne yapıyorsun ya? Ya yapma gözünü seveyim. Buradan döneceğim. Buradan böyle dönüşüm var ya. Bak üstüne çıktın ya. Ben çıktım, sen beni görmüyor musun?
Çek fotoğrafını, sen de fotoğrafını çek. Sakin ol.
Harry Hines. Right here, got some working girls out here. They'll spin the block. Oh, they want to come here. How y'all doing?
How are you?
Huh?
How did you? Wait a minute. U-Haul has fucking motorcycles.
Yeah, you can rent them. You didn't know that? Yeah.
On your camera.
It's off, it's not on.
Put your hands on your face. Oh, where y'all going?
Just riding around. The what? This bike, we don't have keys. Somebody will take them, and then I didn't get the insurance.
You ain't got no keys.
Yeah, I don't want somebody to take them. We don't have insurance.
Back in your car.
Okay. Bye. And there's a highlight of Harry Hines. They love the U-Haul bikes. Corey out here trying to get a discount.
Oh.
Private, yeah.
Private area.
Private.
Okay.
You are from the stab.
And then
Nice.
gonna say anymore.
Okay.
Where are you from anyway?
Belgium.
Belgium. Oh,
Yeah.
far away. Okay.
Nice.
Cool.
You found a nice place.
Yes, cool guys.
Thanks. Bye. Espera aí. E eu botei pro lado lá pra não pegar pra cima do mato. E passou. Caralho, eu ainda. Caralho.
Era melhor ter se jogado por
Né?
mar.
Foda. Mas eu botei por cima porque eu gravei no canto, não tem a tiro de terra, tá vendo?
Pare, meu irmão.
Caralho, bota ali.
What's good, brother? You got a nice whip. Hell yeah. Woo! Turkey!
My bad.
No, you go.
Powering up.
Yo, bro's got the crazy.
No, man, this is one. Side showing up.
What happened?
No, man. Y'all good?
You good?
We gotta go.
Where you heading?
I'm headed right here.
What, you don't want to be friends? I thought we were being friends. Bye.
Put the wheel down. Hold the wheel.
Stop.
No, hold the wheel.
Stop.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Choke him out, choke him out, choke him out.
That's right, bitch. That's right, bitch. That's right, bitch. Get off. That's right, bitch. That's
Choke him
right,
out.
bitch. Get off. Get fucking away from you.
Good job, man, good job.
What was that about? What happened? I don't understand. I don't understand what happened. What was that about?
I said you was going slow.
You gotta cut me off like that? I got you on camera, bitch. Or you gonna beat me with a plastic bat? You gonna beat me with a whipple bat? You gonna smack me with a whipple bat? Listen, listen. Listen, you could've, miss, I'm sorry. You could've killed me. You could've killed me. And bitch, you ain't even going any, you know further than I am. You know further than I am. You know further than I am. Yeah, call the cops.
What? You gonna keep following me? Keep following me.
What's your problem?
I will beat the out of you. Do not play with me. We talk back there. You don't gotta keep following me.
You almost knocked me off my bike.
I don't care. I would knock this camera off your head. Stop playing with me.
Go ahead.
Fuck.
Car's all up because you don't know how to drive. Fucking
Come ti chiami? Ivano, fai muoverti.
Come si chiama questa via? 118.
118. Ce la fai scendere a uscire?
क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ एक मिनट क्या हुआ भैया इसको तो छोड़ो भाई क्या हुआ भाई हुआ क्या है एक मिनट रुको तो सही सीधे पकड़े जा रहे हो यार भाई बोल के तो ऐसे पकड़ रहे हो
Hadi düşüyorum abi.
Bir şeyim yok ama iyiyim. İyiyim, kaza yap. Yok abi iyiyim. Düştüm sadece. Öndeki araba bir anda yola bağlanınca.
Görüldüğü üzere düşülüyor ve bir bok olmuyor.
İyiyim. Bir dakika. Yo iyiyim abi iyiyim. Sağ olasın.
Benden kaynaklı bir şey mi oldu?
Ben normalde böyle düz geliyordum ya, emniyetten yavaş yavaş gidiyorum yerler ıslak diye. Sen bir anda çıkınca frene asıldım durayım diye o sıra kaydım.
Ben çıkmadım, içeri girmeye gireyim diye bekledim. Baktım giremeyeceğim, düz devam edeyim dedim.
Ben de işte gireceğim diye geliyordum böyle. Ben düz devam ettiğin gibi frene asıldım, düştüm yere.
Zavadak dedim. Çok geçmiş olsun ya.
Eyvallah abi.
Bir şey var mı şeyin?
Yo hiçbir şeyim yok abi ya, sağ olasın. Ufak elim acıyor, elimin üstüne düştüm. Onun haricinde bir şeyim yok yani.
Kusura bakma.
Yok sıkıntı yok abi.
İkimizde bir şeyim yok ama.
Var sıkıntı yok abi. लोकल है ओ भाई साहब ओए मेरे को पता कि चल गया लोकल है
एक मिनट, ओह माय गॉड, ये स्टैंड लगाना है भैया। हेलो वसीम, अरे यार जाओ, मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया, फटाफट इधर तेरी गली में आ, फटाफट। अबे फटाफट, घर से कार आ गई तो बिड़ गए। अरे यार हैंडल भी तो नहीं घूम रहा यार, हैंडल नहीं घूम रहा भाई। गलियों में 100 की स्पीड गाड़ी भागती है। अगर गाड़ी पर क्या था, कुत्ता पीछे पड़ा, बंदे ने गाड़ी इसलिए भगाई, कुत्ता पीछे पड़ गया, गाड़ी अपने पीछे से पीछे पड़ा था। सुन लो कोई बात तो मानो। एक बात बताओ, ये गली 100 मीटर की है, 100 मीटर में 100 किलोमीटर की भागेगी। ये बंदा उल्टा बोल रहा है।
गलती तो बाइक की है मान लो।
अरे तो मान ली ना,
तो वही बात है।
पर उल्टा नहीं बोलोगे। मैं था नहीं ना यहाँ पे, ये तो मैं आगे चला गया, ये इधर कोने में से बाइक आई आपकी। नहीं, आपने एक बात बोली कि आपकी गाड़ी खड़ी थी। आप नहीं, आप इन्होंने क्या बोला, आप लोगों ने गाड़ी खड़ी थी।
तो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वो खुद भी खड़ी है। ऐसे
गलती इसकी भी नहीं है, कुत्ते पीछे पड़े हैं, क्या करे बंद। ये बात
Ne, puka. Vidiš, oproti me je radio ovaj motor, da. Ta ovaj sklopka mi še zmer ni cool, pa kva fucking... Sploh me ni videla, Qua è tappiana, qua testa.